I'm sorry.
That's okay. We have plenty to do. So the next one we're going to work out together. So these are a little bit easier. Now, when the table is like this, you can really use eye doctor. So let me see. So we're going to look at the numbers going across this way. Okay, increasing or decreasing, going from input to output. Let me see. So let's have gone over first. So increasing and decreasing. If a number is
Decreasing.
write that down. Write that down, Antonio. Eye doctor's down. I'm not awake yet. I'm like, no, I'm not awake yet. That's why I should have done problem solving. Hold on. We're gonna do this.
I know how much
We're gonna do this.
decreasing it is.
Okay, hold on.
It's
Increasing. We're gonna do plus, and then subtraction, and then division. I know it looks weird. When we're talking about increasing, your output is going to be getting bigger. If we're decreasing, your input or your output's going to be getting smaller. So that means we would subtract or divide. So when we're talking about increasing or decreasing, going from 19 to 9, is that getting bigger or smaller?
smaller.
Smaller. Okay, what about the next one? Is it same thing? Is it getting smaller?
Yes.
So that means we would be decreasing on this problem. And we would either be subtracting, let me make that again, subtracting, or we would be dividing to figure out what we're getting over there. So
Subtract.
let's see. So Adrian says we're subtracting. Let's try 19 minus 9. What do we get? We're working this out together, so make sure. 10. Oh, let's see if our rule can be minus 10 on here. Let's do 14 minus 4. What do we get?
10.
10. Ooh, let's do 21 minus 11. What do we get?
10.
10. So what is our rule?
10.
Not just 10.
No, minus.
Minus what?
Minus 10.
So our rule would be, I guess, you could put subtract 10. Just like up here, we subtracted whatever. So if we did 12 minus, just to be sure, 12 minus 2, what do we get? Make sure I write this down. It's a little bit easier when the chart is laid out like this. I'm going to write it skills first. Ugh. It's not what I wanted to be. Okay, do you need anything? I'm fine, thank you though. Okay. So I won't make y'all, I'm gonna write this chart like a T-chart. Okay. Y'all don't have to write this part. But input, output. 62. To me, it makes more sense going this way. You can see the relationship between the two numbers. So, y'all don't have to write it this way, but we're going to use eye doctors again. What does I mean? What does I mean? An eye doctor. Come on, guys, wakey. This is important.
Increase.
Decrease. What does D mean?
Decrease.
Decrease. And then R is rule, and then S is solve. So you're probably wondering why I wrote my chart like this.
Ooh, I got the answer for that one.
It's easier to see if you're in. Ugh. Why do I keep doing that? Increasing or decreasing?
I don't know. I don't know.
Either. Adrian, it's easier to see if you're increasing or decreasing. Besides Adrian, when I go from 44 to 40, am I increasing or decreasing? Adrian.
Increasing.
From 40, going that way, looking that way. From 44 to 40, is that increasing or decreasing?
Oh, it's more.
44 to 40?
No, it's increasing.
From going this way, that way. If I have $44 to start and I spend $40,
Oh wait, I'm saying the wrong thing. This
decreasing. So that means we're either going to be doing what or what? What are our two operations that we could be doing?
Or divide.
Subtract or divide. So I know I can go to my answer choices and get rid of what answer choice before even doing that.
Add.
Get rid of that one. Okay. Now let's solve for this. Let's go 44 minus 40. What do we get? Come on. What's 44 minus 4?
4?
Yeah. Let's do another one. Let's do 100 minus 96. What's 100 minus 96? Where's Natalie at? She's not answering. Surprise.
I know it.
What is it? What is it? Somebody said I know it.
Oh, I have myself on mute.
Yeah, what is it?
100 minus 96, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it? Oh, somebody. Come on, y'all need to be working these out. Because on Friday, I already know our last problem looks like this. It's going to be, can I get an open or less? 4.
Wait, they're both 4.
So, what does that mean we're doing?
Subtract.
Subtract what? Subtract what, Mariah?
4.
Yeah.
Subtract.
That would have been our answer. That's why I wrote the chart this way, because it's a little...
So it's A.
Yeah, that's why I wrote the chart this way, because it's a little bit easier to see the relationship versus like this. I know for some of y'all, for me even, it's difficult to see the relationship from here to here. But if you write it like this, you can see the relationship and see that your number is getting smaller. And I know some of you are going to say, Adrian probably will say, well, I can see it there, it's getting smaller. But to me, it's easier on my eyes to look at it this way.
I think you're looking at it that way.
This way, right? I agree. And especially when we start getting to like multiplication and division, it's a little bit easier to determine that. So let's use eye doctors again. Hopefully I can get it right over here. Increasing is multiplication or adding, subtracting or dividing. So besides Mariah, if we're looking at our input to our output, is the number increasing or decreasing?
I know it.
I know. We're going from 6 to 17. I start my day with $6 and I end with 17. Did I increase or did I decrease? Audrina?
Increasing.
Increasing, which means we are going to be either adding or multiplying. Good job, Audrina. Whew, let's see. We have to write our own pair here. This one's tricky. This one's tricky. Because, let's see. I'm going to give y'all a hint on this one. I really don't know. Okay. So, what are our numbers? 16. So, let's see. We start our 6. So, we're starting here and we have to end here. Right? How many are we going? Oh, it's kind of glary. How many are we increasing going from 6 to 17? Who can tell me? You can use my chart if you want to count. 1, 2.
10.
Try again. One more.
11.
11. So let's see. So plus 11. So let's try that rollout. Let's see if we add 11 to 10, if that works to get us 21. Does that work?
Yep.
Ooh, that one doesn't work, so plus 11. Let's try one more, just to be safe. So 4 plus, oops, I did it wrong. Plus 11. Does that give us 15? 11 plus 4. I know that plus sign looks a little wonky.
Yes. Yes.
What's our rule?
Adding.
Adding what? How many?
4. 11.
What? Over here.
Oh, wait, 11. 11.
So our rule equals add 11. Adrian, where'd you go? Oh, he left again. Remember, y'all need to tell me where y'all are going, like we're in class.
That is not kicked out of the Zoom, but he actually left.
On the back side, let's see. Ooh. Okay, besides Mariah, besides Viva, Natalie, I haven't heard you answering. Let me see. Adrian,
Yeah,
go.
I was right over there.
Why were you over there? You need to be in front of the camera, working. No longer. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Besides Adrian,
Mm-hmm.
Mariah, and Vida, y'all can start working on this one. I want somebody else to tell me what I means.
I can't work on that?
No, I said you work on this. Yes, but I don't want y'all answering.
Yeah, you just can't say the answer.
Yeah, what does I mean? Somebody else. Tell me what I means.
Means
Do not answer, Adrian.
starts with an I.
Let's start with an I. Who remembers what it means? The rest of y'all, come on. What does the I mean?
Increasing.
Increasing. Okay, now Adrina cannot answer.
And D is for
Adrian, you solve and try to figure out what the rule is over here in those missing numbers. Somebody else. What does D mean?
decreasing.
Who said that? Sierra, right? Good job. Decreasing. So we're going to be subtracting or dividing and adding. I finally got it right. Or multiplying. And then we have our rule and we have our, I guess, solve. We find a rule and then we solve. So if we're looking at the relationship between these two numbers, that's the input, that's the output. I already know some of you are going to be like, what? Say something else. Output. When we're going from 36 to 24, are we increasing or decreasing, going to the right? Somebody tell me. Besides my ones that always answer. Jacob. Are we increasing or decreasing, going from 36 to 24?
Is this in our math binder?
Yes.
Decreasing.
RJ. Was that you?
Decreasing.
Good job, decreasing. So we're going to either be subtracting or dividing. So he says, let's try subtracting first. Let's do 36 minus 24. What do we get?
It's I'm just thinking right now, but I think it's 12. Yeah, 12.
Maybe. Let's try another one. Let's do 21 minus 9. See if we get 12.
21 minus 9 equals 11.
Are you sure? Try again. You're close. Neiman chart. 21. And then what is it? Minus 9?
12.
12. So what is our rule here?
12.
Minus 12. Minus 12. Okay. So I guess subtract. job. Good job, Jacob. But now we need to figure out these missing numbers. How are you find those missing numbers? You can tell me. Oh, did I forget something? We're gonna have to use our rule to find these missing numbers. Audrina, what are we gonna do to find the missing number for this one right here?
Subtract 12 from 40.
Adrian! Adrian! Yes.
Okay, I'll go. I'll never come back. I'm never coming back.
No, you're gonna answer sometimes. I just can't have you answer all the time. 43 minus 12, what do we get? Besides Adrian. Now,
I'm never coming back.
what?
31.
31! We have a genius on our hands. 31. So I guess you can put it right here. 31. Now, we have to do what minus 12 to find this one?
Number.
What are we gonna do?
Like you're saying someone's name.
Subtract 12 from Yes, Antonio says we're gonna subtract 58 minus 12. I know he's listening. And we get, he said 46, right? I hope 46 is what he says we get. I know we just ran through that really, really fast, but
46.
46. I know Antonio's paying attention in the classroom.
Never coming back.
He is in the classroom.
What? But even before he was in the classroom, he was paying attention because he was turning in his work when I would tell him to. So,
Never coming back.
you can't blame it on not being in the classroom because when he wasn't here, he was always turning in his work. And he was at like a daycare with other kids. So some of y'all that are like, I don't know, I can't focus or I can't do it from home. He was with a bunch of other kids. Little kids.
I'm never coming back.
I know y'all can do it. But yes. Yes, I guess some sort of advantage that he's in the classroom. I don't know, but I never really help him in the classroom because I'm always with y'all. So, because majority of y'all are still online. So, are we done? We get this? We need to know factors. I need to make an anchor chart with that. Increasing, decreasing rule, and then sub. So we first figure out if the number is increasing or decreasing. Then we can figure our rule, and then we can sub. Eye doctors are really important for you last year. Are we done? So I can move it. Yes, no, maybe so. Audience?
Done.
Done.
I'm done.
Done.
Thank you.
Come on.
I woke up.
I'm
Problem solve. Problem solving in the red. What we should have started with, but
15, right?
yes, 15A. Problem solving 15A. I'm gonna do one with y'all, and then I think one you're gonna do by yourself. So let's see how well we do. What do we do?
back.
Okay. Problem solving. Ooh, no, it's not. Okay, 15A. Everybody found it? Because I'm starting. I don't want to hear in 3 minutes what page you're at. Yes? Adrian, fix your name before I kick you out of the meeting. Found it, AJ?
Yes.
The veterinarians at a pet clinic treated 103 dogs, 116 cats last week. Of the 103 dogs, 74 of them were puppies. How many adult dogs are treated last year? Ooh.
What page is it?
Problem solving, 15A. There's no page numbers. Where's Audrina? You can see my paper?
Yes.
So how many adult dogs were treated? Natalie's forbidden from answering here. What numbers do we need or don't need? What can we get rid of, I guess? Cats. Antonio says we don't need to know the number of cats. We don't. We don't care about the cats this week. So we have 103 dogs and 74 puppies. We're trying to figure out how many adult dogs are treated last year. What are we gonna do? Who thinks they know? To figure out how many adult dogs are treated last week. Come on. Make sure you are keeping your screens on, your videos. What are we doing? You can tell me.
Subtracting.
Subtracting.
Subtracting! Wake up! I'm guessing y'all are working these out. If y'all are quiet. What's our total? What's our total number of dogs? Sorry, it's blurry. Ooh.
116.
What? Antonio told us to get rid of 116. Did you cross it out? We're looking for the number of dogs.
Yeah, my bad.
Yeah, okay. I was just making sure. 103 is our total. And then we have 74.
Yeah, we're looking for the number of dogs.
Yes. Just making sure. What do we get when we subtract 103 minus 74? You can tell me. What they got. Antonio gave me his answer. What's their answer? Mariah?
The answer is
Hey, friend, hold on.
I'm working it out.
Okay.
it's
Got it.
What'd you get?
177.
Oh, somebody wasn't paying attention.
177.
Frick!
And
I
somebody
just saw the minus sign.
4.
I just saw the minus sign.
Mr. Smarty Pants, slow down a little bit. Pay attention, okay?
Can I say it? Can I say it?
Got it, Adrian?
Good night.
I know the
Okay,
answer.
3 minus 4.
All right, what'd you get?
29. 29.
Wait,
29, yep. So we now that would be 9 because we're going to borrow. That'd be 13.
Adrian.
There you go.
I
Good
got it right too.
job, yeah.
Boy.
Adrian just worked too fast. Remember, if you're missing a number down here, you're going to be subtracting. But if you have a number down here, you're going to be adding. Get it? Got it? Good? Let's see. Ooh, the next one's probably a little easier. Let me let y'all copy that down. To send Adrian back. Kindergarten, follow directions. Not really, but yeah, let me check to see. Read, start looking at number 15B. B. I'll be back in a second.
I think the teacher disappeared in Fortnite.
I'm sure he does it.
Imagine she's playing the game without us.
What?
Imagine she was playing Fortnite. You two.
She would get in trouble.
AJ, what do you think my username is right now on the Zoom? Hi. God.
Fortnite God.
Whatever you think, that is not what happened.
I swiped all the way. Yeah, all the way back, so I can see if your name was there, and then I saw it. Fortnite God.
Wants to see me as a god.
It ain't.
Not me, because you
Let me become my god form.
Did you stop screaming already?
You are not a god.
Yeah, just a few.
You are not a god. It's true, you are not a god.
I am the Fortnite god. Oh.
There's a principal there.
Adrian, stop it.
We can still see your shirt.
I'm scared.
Adrian, you are not. You are not a god. You are not a god, because I am a
You know,
god.
you can only do that if you have a computer. And
I am the god of Minecraft. It is true, I am the god of Minecraft.
That doesn't mean
Bro,
It
everybody
is
plays
true, I am the
Minecraft.
god of Minecraft. I am a god.
guys stop talking.
Let
What do you think you're saying, God?
Of this. 15B. A recycling group collected 69 kilograms of newspaper on Monday. The group collected 84 kilograms of newspaper and 12 kilograms of aluminum cans on Tuesday. If the recycling group receives $3 for each kilogram of newspaper they collected, how much did they earn on Monday? Oh, there's a big key word in there. It's going to tell us what we're going to use. I bet you those girls know.
I know.
Adrian, fix your name. Oh, Natalie, she's awakened. Each. We're gonna set up, Natalie. She was just waiting. Gets. Good job. We know we're gonna use gets. But what numbers are we going to use? Ooh, we're looking for the number of kilograms of paper on Monday.
69 kilograms.
69. We don't need 12. We don't care how many cans.
9 kilograms on Monday.
We don't know. No. We don't care how many cans they did. So,
And they receive $30 each kilogram.
so each would be the total would be. And what are we gonna do to solve this? Okay, yeah, multiply. Multiply. 69.
Not talking about Tuesday, talking about Monday.
Let me see what y'all get.
Okay, guys.
Somebody's got their answer.
Six, 12, 18.
Mr. Hernandez,
Yes?
can I tell you the answer in a private text?
Yes, go ahead. More private. Wonder did I use so many notebooks? I don't know. Which one I used yesterday? I have this one. Oh, here it is. Bet you I'll get a few more. What's 9 times 3, Chloe? Chloe, I only want Chloe to answer. Oh, my hurt. Chloe. 9 times 3. 9.
Got the answer.
So, glitchy. What is it, Chloe? You're like glitching real bad. I guess what somebody, Audrina, can you tell me 9 times 3?
Yes.
Go ahead. So Chloe's like glitching real bad.
27.
27. Carrier 2. What's 6 times 3?
6 times 3.
Adrian, you seem like an eager beaver. What is it?
I know the answer.
18. And plus the 2 equals 207.
287.
I was
What?
Hold on, Adrian. 18 plus. You forgot.
Sorry, that was the answer I got.
I added the 2. Wait, you're glitching. It's 207, not 217.
I got that answer.
So did I.
I fixed it.
Easy pie. Easy as pie, boy.
There's 2.
I got it right.
AJ, is that what you got? I think you forgot to carry your 2.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Are you good so I can move it? Or you still need it? We're good? I'm moving it. Okay. What do we have now? Concept? Like we're moving way too fast. This will take a while. Concepts. What is it? Concepts. Right. Concepts. 2A. Concepts 2A. I'll show it in a second. Hey. Concepts 2A. Yellow. Yellow. Before we even begin that, make sure you, Audrina, see my screen?
Yes.
Make sure you make a place value chart again. Antonio, if you need another one, there's right here. Antonio's lucky because he gets a piece of paper with 1. Comparing and ordering decimals. Oh, did I say decimals? I meant whole numbers. My bad. We're not decimals. We're not there yet. Maybe that's why I like hippos, because they're like hungry hippos, like that game. I could probably eat all day long. Hungry hippo. Your place value chart. I would make the whole page 1 because it's gonna take us, we got plenty of math to do today. Oh.
Okay, Dad, maybe got our.
And what I think I'm gonna do for some of y'all that have a printer, maybe I'm probably gonna put one of these online, and if you're able to print it, use one of these.
Yeah, that's what that I did yesterday.
Did you print it? Look, Michael printed one, yeah. I'm gonna send y'all some, so if y'all have a printer, you can print it instead of drawing it every single time like this. 'Cause it's super hard if you have to draw this every single time.
Yeah, it's hard. It has to be.
Hard, and it takes like 5 minutes.
Dude, our printer takes like a while or a couple of minutes or two.
So remember, Antonio, start from the corner over here with the place value, okay?
Okay.
Things. As y'all make your place value, let me stop this sharing and let me go to. Let me show a video. That sounds like fun.
Yay, I like it.
Of course you do. YouTube. I like to do this too. That's why I show them.
Yeah. At least
They will wake y'all up.
Miss Fernandez will stop problem solving.
No, concepts. Yellow. We're on concepts. Concept. Yellow. 2A. 2A. Comparing and ordering numbers.
It's 2A page 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see what this one is. This one's got like whole numbers. It's education analysis. What?
Welcome to my classroom. I am here to teach you how to
Adrena, you can see this?
yes.
compare and order whole numbers. When comparing and ordering whole numbers, think about the number. Where would the numbers go? Once on the number, smallest numbers are on the left. So the farther left the number, the smaller the number will be. The larger numbers are on the right. The farther right the number, the greater the number will be. Let's check this out. Remember the inequality alligator? When facing right, it's less than. But when facing left, it's greater than. And so basically, he always eats the greater numbers.
Which one does the alligator eat?
The bigger one.
Bigger one. I wish I had a shark costume. I would wear my shark costume in. There's like this TikTok video of a teacher doing it. I bet you I would pay attention and get it. But I don't have a shark costume, so
So let's
maybe I could get an alligator hat or
we
something.
want to compare 2,423 and 2,432.
Ooh, who thinks they know which one the alligator is going to eat? Adrian, hold on, Adrian. Is the alligator going to eat this number on the left or the one on the right? Jacob, you know?
It's going to eat 2,432.
Bingo! I would give you a candy if we were in classroom. But we're not.
Let's think about the number line. Both numbers are in the 2000s. If we look at the next place value, the hundreds place, both numbers also have 4 hundreds. So let's check out the tens place. One's in the 20s and one's in the 30s. So if we place them on the number line, 2,423 would be less than 2,432. All right. For example number 2, we want to compare 6,344 and 6,433. Let's think about the number line. Both numbers are in the 6,000s. If we look at the next place value, the hundreds place, one's in the 300s and one's in the 400s. So if we place them on the number line, 6,433 would be greater than 6,344. Awesome. In example 3, we want to place the numbers in order from least to greatest. Let's consider where our numbers would go on the number line. All of the numbers are in the 8,000s, so we need to look to the hundreds places. Now, we want to place our numbers to the number line. Since the farther right you go on the number line, the larger your numbers get, so we want to reorder our list in order from left to right on the number line. Let's do it. And there we have it. In example 4, we now want to place our numbers in order from greatest to least. Our numbers are in different thousands places, so we would want to put them in order according to the thousandth place, since that's the greatest place value. The 63 doesn't have a thousandth place, so it would go first, followed by the 1,954, since it only has 1,000, then the 6,060, since it has 6,000, and last, the 8,975 with its 8,000. Now we can reorder our list. Ta-da! And there you have it. That's how to compare and order whole numbers. Thanks for joining me. You are now ready to take on the challenge. Good luck.
You all ready?
Yes.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's begin. What is 5 plus 3? We can solve the problem by...
What? I say kindergarten math. Kindergarten math.
Oh, here though. Trying to figure out what it sounds like.
Everybody got their charts drawn?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Ooh. 1A. We're on page. Everybody's on page 2A. Compare and order. Yes.
What is that?
Concepts. Yellow.
Wait, 2A on concepts?
Yes.
I'm on, and it says page 2.
Up here. Look at mine. 2A. You see at the top?
I meant concepts and mine doesn't look like that.
Are you sure? Are you on 3? Make sure it's 2A or you're going to be doing the wrong problem.
I'm looking for it. Okay, I found it.
Make sure it's 2A. We're going to put these in order.
I found it.
Everybody's here? So I can. Sorry, earlier. I wish y'all were all in class. There are.
Found it.
Okay.
So we're gonna work on that first.
Yes, we're working on this. I was just sending that email. Okay, let's go. Hopefully everybody's on this page. Everybody's here. Yes? Audrina, you can see?
Yes.
Okay. Detail sheet is the. Let's put our numbers in our place value chart. Greater than or less than. Three, 2, 3, 8, 6, 8. 1 millions. You got a 9, 9, 1. Let's compare
I
these.
know the answer.
Hold on. All right, so is this number greater than that number or less than that number? Let's look at our charts.
Greater.
Why is it greater, Mariah?
The first one, right? It's greater than that.
Yep.
It's because in the 680,
Right here in the thousands place.
the 10,000, yes. The 3, there's a 3 on the first one, and there's a 1 at the other one, and 3 is greater than 1.
Bingo. If I could give you a candy for that explanation of how you know, I would give you one, because she didn't just say, oh, the 3 and the 1, I know they're greater. She said the thousands place. She even used her place value. Place value. Place value. So it's greater than. The alligator would want this one because it's super hungry. It would be this way. Great explanation, Mariah. I would totally give you a candy for that. That's really good. You're using your place value. Let's plug in our next ones. After all what we did yesterday, almost the same thing we just did. Get it right, Antonio? Yeah, okay. I forget you're here.
I know the next one.
I forget Antonio's here because.
I know the next one.
Hold on. I want somebody else to answer. So is this number greater than that or is it less than that? Who's gonna be popping into the chat?
I know.
Chloe says greater.
But who said greater?
Hold on.
The creeper's about to explode. No.
Let's look at these numbers. Chloe, we put them in our place value. These are the same, right? In millions? They're the same in the 100,000s. They're the same in the.
It's not greater.
We get to our thousands place. Is this number greater than that number?
No.
It is not. Why?
There's a. Wait, can I say it?
Go ahead.
Because there's a 1 in the 10,000s and there's a 6 in the 10,000 and 6 is greater than 1.
It's greater.
So it's less.
It's less. This is that first number in there. You have to make sure you're looking at your numbers and the way you're placing them in the chart. Because I know why some of you are saying greater, because maybe you're writing your numbers different than mine. You're switching them. So then your number over here, it is going to be greater than that if you switch these two numbers. But that's not the way the question's asking it.
I read number B, so I thought it was greater because I wasn't paying attention. Whenever I realized it was less than.
Less than, yeah. You have to make sure you're looking at your numbers and where they're at. Because if you say this number's greater than that, I'm going to tell you I want this money, not that money, because it's more money over here. Okay?
I answered it and I picked less than, but since everyone was saying greater, I just said greater, but I didn't know you were talking about number B. I thought you were talking about number A.
Oh, okay. So make sure when you're comparing these, you know which number you're talking about. Oh, sweet Larry James. Let's see if we can get number 3 right. C right.
Oh, that one was easy.
Oh, don't say anything's easy.
I think I know the answer.
I think. I would tell you not to write this in the place value chart. I want y'all to see why the place value chart is useful.
Miss Hernandez, is it A?
Oh, hold your answers. I already know some of y'all won't write this in the place value chart because you're gonna say, I don't need it. I already know.
I'm going to answer mine.
Adrian, I already know. He's like, I don't need the place value chart for this one. Probably. Right, Adrian? Adrian? Left.
Still here.
Oh, right? I bet you didn't plug that one in a place value chart, did you? And I know why you didn't plug it in the place value chart, because I would probably, as the teacher, if I were doing this in my own math binder, I wouldn't have plugged in the place value chart either. So, is 5,354,187 less than 4,347,187, or is it greater than?
It's greater.
Natalie, what was that?
It's greater than.
So what's our answer?
It's A.
A.
Our answer?
A.
A.
What's our answer?
A.
A.
A for apples.
A.
Making sure they are paying attention.
Miss Hernandez,
What?
I got the right answer.
I know most of y'all probably didn't plug this into the place value chart because y'all saw
I got my answer.
Is it after a break?
what time's our break at? I switched it at 9:25 because y'all get 2 breaks now. I need time for math.
I forgot.
9:25 is our break. You got like enough time to do 2 problems. I'll have 2 breaks. Y'all are gonna be in trouble if y'all start coming back to school. There's not breaks all the time in school.
Miss Hernandez,
Yes.
I'm gonna want to go to school.
I want all of y'all to come back to school. It's a lot easier when you are back in school.
What do you mean?
It's a lot easier.
Mom said that I go back to school on October 5th.
I don't know if it's gonna be easier. I don't know because of the rules and stuff, but make it work.
Wait, so Miss Hernandez, we really have to be 6 feet away from each other?
Yes.
How are we gonna know that?
No, Dad, like, let's say if there's like 13 students here, and there's like, what?
Oh, I mean, right now, there's not even 13 desks in my classroom. There's only 12. Once we get past 12 kids in here, I don't know what's going to happen. But, like, I'm not even supposed to be near, like, Antonio. Like, if I wanted to work with him, I can't get within 6 feet of him. That's why he's far away from me. Or I have to do the best I can of being 6 feet away from him. So, I don't know. Yes, but you really are. And you can ask him. There's dots on the floor in the hallway that are 6 feet apart. Like, when we walk to PE, you're 6 feet apart. When you go to the restroom, you can only go one at a time. That's why we have bathroom breaks. There's a lot that's different. You really are 6 feet apart. Yes. Okay, we're on D. I put it over here so that I can use my place value chart. Can y'all see D up here? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure. So I put it up here so I could use my place value chart. I want to put them in my place value chart. Hopefully, I get in. I put the wrong number in here. Antonio's already finished all his work. No, I wrote it right. Let's see. You have to show me your answer if you want a break. Otherwise, you're not going to get a break, so.
We're doing D, right?
Yeah, we're doing D. Go on a break. You better show me your answer.
I know my answer.
Antonio got it right. Let me check with him. Pressure's on him.
I'm gonna private chat you, okay, Hernandez?
Or you can private chat me.
I'm gonna private chat you my answer.
On your break. You better show me. Private chat me too is an option.
What do we do, G?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Hernandez, I send you it. On accident, I put C, because I was supposed to put something else, but then I clicked C on accident. But then I sent you the right
Hernandez, when is break?
You're trying to earn your break right now by answering this problem.
You have to answer the problem and send it to her.
If not, you're gonna sit with me during break and we'll do more math.
You have to private chat her, yeah.
I send you the answer, Miss.
Okay, I'm giving people time.
And I send you the answer.
Okay, I'm looking. I put mine in the place value chart. Don't pay attention to that scribble there. I messed up. Ooh, let me see.
But this is pretty easy unless you're not really like trying to look at a certain part of the number.
You're trying to earn your break.
Miss Hernandez, did I get it right?
I'm not answering yet who got it right and who hasn't yet. I'm waiting for more chats.
Okay.
Chat.
Privately send it to me, please. Adrian, where's yours at? I guess it's right, yeah. All right, Audrina, giving me full worded answers here. Yes, good job. Let me see. I'm waiting for a few more.
Hernandez,
Oh,
does
Hernandez, I already said mine.
I know. I'm looking at him. I'm looking at him.
TV?
Adrian, Jacob, yes.
Does the greater than and less than sign look like an angle?
It does look like an angle. What type of angle?
The
Acute, right, or obtuse?
one that's like this,
What's that called?
the one like this.
What's it called? Yeah, which one? What is that called?
Well, really, here's the vertex. And
Uh-huh. I've got a few more. Come on.
I think that's I think that one's the obtuse angle.
Adrian,
Yes.
what'd you get? I didn't see your answer in there. Did you submit one? I didn't see it. Let me check again. Trying to earn your break.
What?
I'm trying to type.
All right. So, what is our answer on this one?
G.
Y'all agree?
Wait.
Y'all agree it's less than?
I think it was F.
Did I get it right, Mr. Hernandez?
Somebody say F. So it's matching all the way to here. So we need to look at 500 and 400.
I thought we were doing E.
Yeah.
First number is lesser than the second number.
It is. Great job. Okay, be back here at 9:45. Got it?
Okay.
Hey, what time? You were glitching out.
9:45. What time are you coming back?
9:45.
Same time we always come.
Bye.